Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. In yesterday's class we had seen that in this main, if the value of A, which is the first term, and the value of B, which is the common difference, are given, how do we find the first four terms of the AP? When I say the first four terms, the four terms will be A1, A2, A3 and A4. We have already seen one question on that, and yes, there were some issues with the quality of the video because of the compression. I'll try to send the videos in a better quality after compression today. So please let me know your feedback on what things can be improved in the video. Let us continue with the questions. So we have second main and we have already completed question number 1. So this is our second question. Value of A is given as -2 and the value of B is given as 0. We are supposed to find out the first four terms. First four terms are A1. A1 is always given as A and A is -2. Right? So first term is always A. Second term A2. The general form of A2 is A plus B. Isn't it? Now the value of A is -2 plus the value of B is 0. And -2 plus 0, minus into plus is minus, and 2 minus 0 will be 2, but 2 has a negative sign, so the value of A2 will be -2. I hope that is clear. Similarly, let us find out A3. A3 is A plus 2D, and the value of A is -2 plus 2 into the value of D is 0. -2 plus 2 zeros are 0, minus into plus is minus, and 2 minus 0 is 2, and 2 has negative sign, so the answer is -2 again. So the value of A3 is also -2. Let us find out A4. A4 is A plus 3D. The value of A is -2 plus 3 into the value of B is 0. -2 plus 3 into 0 is 0, minus into plus is minus, and -2 plus 0 will be -2 again, and that is the value of A4. Therefore, the first four terms of AP are, what are the first four terms? -2 is our first value. Second value is -2, third value is also -2, and fourth value is also -2. Now you may think that why is it -2 every time? Now that is because the value of D is 0. In other words, if I have to tell that there is no common difference only, if the value of D was anything else other than 0, that means you would have got different values of A1, A2, A3 and A4. But now when we say that D is equal to 0, because D is 0, that means there is no difference between any term. So what we have to remember is, when the value of D becomes 0, or when there is no common difference, in simple words, that time all the terms of the AP are going to be same. Even if you find the next four terms like A5, A6, A7, A8 up to any terms, this is only going to be -2 because the value of D is 0. It's a very important thing to note here, that if the common difference is 0 or the value of D is 0, that time all the terms of the AP are going to be one and the same. I hope you have understood this problem. Let us move on to the next one. Question number 3. It tells the value of A is 4 and the value of D is -3. This is the question, and as we are supposed to find four terms A1, A2, A3 and A4. The value of A1 is always A, which is 4. The value of A2 will be A plus D according to the general form. The value of A is 4 plus the value of D is -3. 4, this is into, right? Bracket represents multiplication. So plus into minus is minus, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So the value of A2 is 1. Let us now go to A3. A3 is A plus 2D according to the general form. The value of A is 4 plus 2 into the value of D is -3. 4, first multiply the sign, plus into minus is minus, 2 3s are 6. Now let us subtract, right? 6 minus 4 is 2, but 6 is a bigger number which has negative sign, so the answer is going to be minus 2. That means whenever we subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, the answer is going to be a negative integer. So the value of A3 is minus 2. Let us now solve for A4. A4 will be A plus 3D according to the general form. The value of A is 4 plus 3 into the value of D is minus 3. 4 plus into minus is minus. 3 into 3 is 9. And 4 minus 9 will be minus 5 because 9 is a greater number. And again we are subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number. These are basics that you have learned many times. So the value of A4 is minus 5. Therefore, the first four terms of the AP here are, first term is 4, second term is 1, third term is minus 2, and the fourth term is minus 5. So let us recall what we are doing in this main. In this main there are two values that are given to us. That is the value of A and D. A is first term, D is the common difference. By using the value of A and D, we are supposed to find first four terms of the AP, which is A1, A2, A3 and A4, and this is how we do it. Let us move on to one more question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is the value of A is minus 1 and the value of D is 1 by 2. And we are supposed to find the four terms. Let us begin by finding A1. A1 is given by A. And A is always the first term, which is minus 1. Value of A2. A2 is given by A plus D. A is minus 1 plus D is 1 by 2. Now if we get something like this, we can take this denominator as divided by 1 and then do the cross multiplication. Or if you want, you can also take LCM. How do we do it? Put minus sign, then multiply 1 into 1 2s are 2 plus 1 1s are 1 divided by 1 2s are 2. Now minus into plus is minus. 2 minus 1 is 1. Of course 2 is bigger, minus sign. So minus 1 divided by 2. That is the value of A2. Let me go to find A3 now. A3 is given by A plus 2D according to the general form. The value of A is minus 1 plus 2 into the value of D is 1 by 2. Now you can cancel this 2 and 2. Minus 1 plus 1 is remaining. Minus into plus is minus. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Or any number, even if you have minus 10 plus 10, minus 20 plus 20. Same numbers with 1 minus and plus n can always be cancelled because the result will be 0. So the value of A3 will be 0. And similarly, if I find out A4, A4 will be A plus 3D according to the general form. The value of A is minus 1 plus 3 into the value of D is 1 by 2. Now you can't cancel 3 and 2 here, of course, because they don't come in the same table, right? Or they are not multiples. Minus 1 plus 3 and 1 can be multiplied. 3 1s are 3 divided by 2. Now you can take this as divided by 1 and do cross multiplication just like how you did here. Minus sign as it is. 1 2s are 2 plus 1 3s are 3 divided by 1 2s are 2. Minus into plus is minus. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 is greater number plus and no need to put divided by 2. So the value of A4 is 1 by 2. So you can now tell that the four terms of this AP are minus 1, 1 by 2, 0, minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Please write the conclusion. I hope you have understood how to find out the first four terms of the AP when A value and D value are given to us. And based on this, I will be giving you some homework questions now, and I want you to submit the answers of that by today on the Google Classroom app. There is one more question remaining, fifth question, which I will be doing it in the next class. It's time for the homework questions now, so please make a note of these homework questions. Heading will remain same. You should find out the first four terms when the value of A and D are given, I'll tell the value of A is 2 and the value of B is 3. Let me start with a simple question. Then I'll tell the value of A is minus 3 and the value of B is 4. I'll go with this. And third one, I'll go with the value of A is 5 and the value of B is 1 by 2. Please try to do all the 3 questions in your homework and then try to submit it as soon as possible. Please let me know how the video was and what necessary changes I should do so that you can understand better. I know there is a little compromise with the quality of video because we are compressing it, but I'll try to do some arrangements and try to send a better quality video. So please do the homework and thank you for watching the video.